COVID-19 pandemic continues to make things hard for students, especially when it comes to paying for school. Seneca is here to help. You can now apply for the COVID-19 Student Relief Fund. Applications will be accepted until 5 p.m. on Thursday, March 11th. If you are currently a full-time domestic or international Seneca student living in Canada, you may be eligible for support. And if you are eligible, you will receive your money by e-transfer to your bank account. Here are the 2 steps to apply. Step 1. Set up Interac e-transfer so Seneca can send money to your bank account. Log into Student Home and select the Financial Account tile. Click the link for Interac e-transfer setup and follow the instructions. Be sure to use an English language keyboard when choosing your security password. You also need to post your social insurance number or individual tax number in your profile on Student Home. Step 2. Apply to the COVID-19 Student Relief Fund. Log into Student Home. Under the Financial Aid tile, select Apply for Financial Aid. Choose the magnifying glass icon and select the 2020 academic year. Fill out all required personal information if you have not applied for financial aid during the 2020 academic year. If you have previously applied for financial aid, your personal information will already be filled out. Remember, if your last application was before December 1st, 2020, be sure to confirm that you are living in Canada. Make sure all your personal information is correct and click Submit. Remember, once you click Submit, you cannot make changes to your personal information. Next, select the COVID-19 Student Relief Fund. If you have not applied for COVID-19 relief bursaries in the past, please explain how your finances have been negatively affected by the pandemic. If you have applied, your previous answer will already be on file and cannot be updated. Click Submit to finalize your application. If you miss this step, your application will not be submitted. If this is your first time applying for financial aid, you can find more information at senecacollege.ca/registrar.html, or you can email questions to health@senecacollege.ca. We hope this support will help you during these difficult times. Stay safe.